Abdur Rahim Khan from Free IT Education. Are you interested to learn Python? Watch this video. In this video, we will learn how to take input from user and then apply different actions on that input. Let's start. Let's say we got we said value is equal to, so we say input. So input is a function, enter value 1. Okay, so what we're saying here, so in this, so we're saying input, which means asking the user to type in the value, and if you enter, so it is asking enter value 1, so we just put in 12, so the 12 will go into this value. Okay, so now we're saying value 2, and we just say the same thing, input enter value 2, and we close that, and then now it's asking for the value 2. Let's say we put it in value 20. Okay, so now value 1 has got 12 and value 2 has got 20. Now we create a function, definition add value, and let's say we call it num1 and num2. So we were already learning function. If you have not watched it, watch my video and you will learn about function. So in this lesson we are applying all the skills that we have learned one by one. So we have learned about variables, we have learned about definition. Watch those videos before you carry on here. So what we will do here, we will say return num1 and num2. So we will add them, num1 and num2, and we will enter. Spelling mistakes, so we will say definition and return spelling is wrong, so return number 1 and number 2. So that's how we created a function. Now we will say add value, we will pass on the value 12 and 23, and it will give me the sum of those two numbers. So if I pass on the two variable which we already created, value 1 and value 2, into that, so value 1 and value 2, so it should give me the end result, so which is that one here. So because it is a string, so it can concatenate those two. So that is something we will learn how to convert a string into variable in the future lecture. So if you want to print it, print and call the function add values 23 and 34, and it will print it the sum of these two values. So I hope this lecture was informative. If you like this video, so give a thumbs up, subscribe to Free IT Education, and stay tuned for future lesson. Bye for now.